Nairobi, Kenya is ranked to be among the top cities in Africa that are found to have so many activities and be busy. In this video, I am going to be taking you around Nairobi and the outskirts of Nairobi as we see how the effect of the C-19 has affected the country as well as the place. And I hope from this video you get inspired and motivated to continue staying safe wherever you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Damarisnjengayt. I bring to you travel related content so I can inspire you to get out of your environment and go explore something new. So today I'm done with my quarantine, out to go and explore the world. Yeah, I'm going to visit some relatives, some long lost relatives, and stick around. Let's go see how the town has been, how everything has been. I've not left this place for the last 2 weeks, so this will be something new. So let's go.
So I boarded a matatu, and the first thing they do is they clean your hands using the detergents that they have, so that when you get inside the matatu you're sanitized. It's compulsory to wash your hands, which is something I loved to help us fight against this disease, and I hope everyone now does not need to be told to wash their hands. Something else that I loved and I found is a practice that is going to help us improve our safety is the fact that matatus or public means are not carrying like 14 people or the same number they are used to, but they divide it by half. So one person sits here and then there's a spare seat, and then the other person sits on the other seat, which I'm sure is going to improve our safety. I was definitely curious to see the number of people out there, if people are staying in their homes, maintaining social distance. So you're just going to continue with this ride as we see the state of the town, which I'd say I'm impressed. This is Nairobi CBD, Central Business District, where all activities happen. In front of me is Kencom, and as you can see, there are no people, like people are not in town and they are home, maintaining their social distance and just making sure that they are taking care of themselves and just ensuring that they are maintaining safety. Yeah, I didn't take long also in town because I didn't want to expose myself as well, and just make sure I take care, and I just make sure I take care. So let's continue home.
It surely comes with no doubt that Corona will change our lives forever. Like, there are people who will never embark on their lives. Like, I'm just amazed. This is town. How silent it is. God help us.
So my next form of transport was a bus, and as you can see behind me, there are empty seats because people have to continue maintaining social distance. Even the seat next to me, less people are seated there, which I think is a good practice. Also, the rule remain, they washed our hands or they sanitized us before we got into this bus seat. Suppose you're not Kenyan, there are some things that have been implemented to make sure that we maintain the best safety and the best precautions that can help us be able to curb this pandemic. And one of them has been having a curfew. So we are supposed to be home by around 7 p.m. You should be in your house. Everyone should be settled wherever they stay. And also, around this time, it's around 4, so I'm making sure that by the time it's 7, I'm seated. Okay, also, by the time it's because around 5:36, it becomes crazy. So that's why you see people are making sure that they've been carried by that bus, just to try and make sure they are home by that specific time. Also, another measure that has been put in place is making sure that people who are in places that the virus has been found or people have been contacted with, they shouldn't leave that area to go to other parts of Kenya, which I think is going to help. I am just here to wish you a great time, to still ask you to remain positive this whole time as everything is going against to how we would have wished things to be. And we just hope that something good is going to happen and you're going to be rescued and saved from all these things that are happening. So yeah, I pray and I wish that all these stuffs come to an end and we can go back to our normal lives or to our new adjusted form of living. And guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And if you just may be wondering, I am safe wherever I am and taking care of myself as I social distance.